Hello math students, let's begin math. Today we're going to be thinking about place value. Place value is the location of a digit in a number and how much the digit is worth. We're going to be identifying the value of a digit. Let's begin. So let's warm up our numbers. We're going to count by ones and then by tens. Let's count by ones all the way up to 18. 1, 2, 3. Keep going without me. Okay, and now let's count by tens. We'll count by tens all the way up to 90. 10, 20, keep going. You can pause the video here if you need more time to count or if you want to count again by yourselves. Okay, so let's begin with a quick review of what we looked at last week. We used our 1 cubes and tens to make numbers. So this is a 1 cube, it's worth 1. Its value is 1, and this is a 10 stick. A 10 is made up of 10 ones. Each section represents 1. A 10 stick is made up of 10 ones. Okay, so let's begin. Our first number is 75. We are trying to figure out what is 75 made up of. It's a 2-digit number. That means it's made up of ones and tens. Let's take a closer look. So in the number 75, there are 5 ones. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 7 tens. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have the number 75. It's made up of 5 ones and 7 tens. Here are the 5 ones and 7 tens that we use to make 75. Well, what is the value of the number 5 and the number 7 in 75? In the number 75, there are 5 ones. The value of the 5 is 5. There are 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at the tens now. There are 7 tens. Let's count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. There are 7 tens. The value of the 7 tens is 70. Let's try another one together. Okay, so this time we have the number 27. Let's start by building it with our cubes. So we need 7 ones to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there are 2 tens. 1, 2. Let's write our numbers out to match. So there are 7 ones and there are 2 tens. 1, 2. So 7 ones and 2 tens. Let's work on the value of each of the numbers. So in 27, there are some ones. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The value of this number is 7. There are 7 ones. Let's write it in. Now let's count our tens. 10, 20. There are 2 tens and we counted by tens. 10, 20. the value of the number 2 in 27 is 20. Let's try another one. Okay, so you can say this number out loud. Our number is 43. How many 1s and 10s do we need to build the number 43? Pause the video here to build the number 43. Okay, so let's see if we figured out how many 1s and 10s we need to make the number 43. How many 1s did you say? That's right, we need 3 1s. Let's drag them over. 1, 2, 3. Let's write our number in. We have 3 1s. How many 10s do we need now in the number 43? Yep, we need 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write our number in. 4 10s. Now let's look at the value of the number 3 and the number 4. Let's see. There are 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. The value of the number 3 is 3. 3 1s. Now let's look at the value of the number 4. Let's count by tens because this is a tens column. 10, 20, 30, 40. The value of the number 4 is 40. We have 4 10s. The value is 40. Nice work. Let's do one more. Say the number. Okay, our number is 67. Pause the video here to figure out how many 1s and how many 10s you need to make the number 67. Okay, so I'm going to drag over the cubes that we need to make the number 67. You can say the numbers out loud as I drag them. Okay, so we have our 1s. Pause here to count them. Let's do our 10s. How many 10s do we need to make this number? Say the number as I drag them. You can pause here again if you need more time to count. But let's move on to writing in our numbers. How many 1s do we have? That's right, we have 7 1s. And how many 10s do we have? 6 10s. Now let's look at the value of each number. You can pause here again to count for the value. You got it. So the value of the 1s is 7. Don't forget to count by 10s. Tell me the value of the 6 in 67. Yep, you got it. The value is 60. Nice work participating in math today.